Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and we're over here by the bridge construction again. But I'm going to call this update 3.1 because we're here on a Tuesday around lunchtime, and I'm going to see how close I can get and what we can see is going on. There are vehicles down there, so someone might not like me being down that way. But we're going to find out what's going to go on here. Let me turn this around. And you can see them working down there. I don't know exactly how I'm going to work this. I have an idea. You can see they come through here quite a bit. This is quite used. I'm almost positive I am going to be kicked out, as it were. We're going to see what's happening, though. Stuff is being done. And, well, we'll see what we can see. You can see why I usually come down here on a Sunday. And I might cross across the tracks and get up on a hill and look that way around. Stuff is happening. Well, they're doing a lot of work. I don't know how I'm going to get in there. Well, I'm going to cross the tracks is what I'm going to do. Pardon me. It's wintry out, obviously. This is all part of the railroad that came through here at one time. Was a double track at one time. Passenger service out of Troy. We've talked about this numerous times. There's a car running. So someone's staying warm. I'm going to try to cross the tracks here and see what I can do on the other side to see what's happening. Rabbits and other things coming through here. He's getting out of his truck to probably tell me to go away. Well, we're getting up on this hill here. I don't know what this could have been at one time. But we're going to go up this way. This could have been a rail service in here at one time too. I don't know. We'll see what we can see up here. Huh. Well, there's a deer trail right there. I might as well take that. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Deer, or buck and doe. Here is, now this was something here at one time. I'm not sure. We've looked at it before. I'm not sure. They're working right there. I am positive they don't want me to go down in there. But I'm just photographing the changes. Pardon? I won't get close. So I kind of got an okay. They're going to have to put in a whole new track here, aren't they?
Yeah, they're going to go right through here.
Wow. Pretty interesting. Yeah, I've been doing a history of the bridge from before, and I usually come on a Sunday. No one's around, you know. But I wanted to see what was going on while they were working. So, we can go over here a little bit. I have a feeling I'm going to go back out that way. So you can see that not doing much on the bridge, doing more over here. Seem to be doing more over here. I'm going to go down here and see what I can see. That was a nice interaction. Yeah, they're full boat here today. We're just going to go over here, out of the way. See, there's a line here. And, we'll keep going this way. We'll keep going this way. So this is, I've said this before, 1866, the bridge went in, using those pilings still, 1904 I believe it was. I don't have my notes. Yes sir, you can see them doing a lot of work here. New switches, those fellows were from Amtrak too. Yeah, they're taking out that hill over there. And this is where the track is going to come through, like they said. Coming right through over there. They're working on probably after their lunch. You don't want to get too much closer today on a work day. But you can see them doing a lot of work there. We're just going to walk over here a little bit. Not much going on down by the bridge that I can see. It's mostly up here. They got a lot of work to do to get this all straightened out. That hill has to come out. So that'll be interesting to see. And it's too active down there for me to get close to the bridge. But this is something that's been going on, what's going on right now. And you can get an idea of what's going on. You don't mind me filming you for a few minutes, do you?
Okay, I'm just putting this on the rail and going back over there.
Ah. Well, we'll keep walking. I'm not sure what they're doing, but you can see they're doing some sort of construction right here now. My car might be in the way around there. That's where that dump truck's going through. But we're just going to walk right down through here and see what we can see. So as I say, this is 3.1, update 3.1. Just wanted to see what was going on during the day. See you later. Thank you.
Sorry?
Thank you.
Sure.
I've loved trains since I was a kid, you know, it's one of those things, and
Oh, yeah.
all this going on.
Yep,
RWP. We'll look that stuff up when we get back. We're gonna go over this. I think we're safe right here. Getting ready to must be all for the switches and stuff, signals, things of that nature. Interesting. Oh, that must be a stop. Hi. Well, we'll stay out of their way. Get out of their business. This is somebody coming down through here. That looks more like the city, I guess. Interesting. Not really a good way to go in. The city, I guess. Yeah, city. Doesn't look like Amtrak. It's not the police. Huh. Maybe they're checking out some sewers. Huh. Interesting. Yeah. They're doing something over there. Cleaning out something. There's another city vehicle. Everybody's coming. Here I went to see what was going on at the bridge. And I have something going on here. That's interesting. Very interesting. It's not the police and it's not the city. Or it's, oh. Must be something to do with the sewer. Oh, Rensselaer County. It's not the city, it's the county. Well, that makes sense. That makes sense. Here's the guy who's going to fix it. Well, anyways, we got to see some of the construction on the bridge, and something going on, but I don't know what that's all about. And it's one of those vibes, maybe you don't want to know. That could be it. Maybe you just don't want to know. So in any case, thanks for watching. Thanks for going along. I hope you found this interesting. Again, they're working down there and putting in the train. Not the train, but the new tracks and things of that nature. And so, I guess I just want to say thanks for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, tell others, and leave a comment. You have a good day. Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and I want to thank everyone who got me over 2,000 subscribers. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. However, I have found that subscribers and even those who have rung the bell are not being notified that a new video is out. I've been told by some that they were unsubscribed. I usually have one video a week and many times two. So if you aren't getting notified at least once a week, check to see if you are still subscribed and that the bell is still rung. If you are, check once a week to see if I have something new out. You won't be disappointed. By the way, please help me reach my goal of 5,000 subscribers. Thank you very much and have a nice day.